So do you guys know what dwell and contact time means? Let's talk about it. Hi, it's Matthew again, here to talk to you about dwell time and contact times. And this is a very important topic, specifically now around COVID-19. But dwell time and contact time is something that you're going to see often around disinfecting. So when you are watching, as an example, someone at the grocery store who is spraying down your cart with disinfectant, watch them this time. And what are you going to see? They're spraying it and they're immediately wiping it down with a towel. So the question is that disinfecting or removing the emerging pathogen, in this case COVID-19, from the surface of your cart? Well, the answer is very unlikely. Contact time and dwell time speak to how long does a surface need to remain wet with the disinfectant so that it will kill the specific bug that you're trying to kill. Sounds simple enough. However, people just do not know about this. So the most important part is to look at the bottle of the disinfectant that you're using and determine what does it say on the bottle. How long does that surface need to remain wet with that disinfectant for it to kill specific types of bugs? In this case, you're going to be looking for the family of coronavirus. And in most cases, disinfectants you can get at the store, they're going to vary anywhere from 5 minutes to as much as 15 minutes that the surface needs to remain wet. That means it has to be wet, damp, cannot be wiped down. Between the time you spray it to the time that it will actually be effective is 5 to 15 minutes. That's a long time. And so when you're reviewing what disinfectants you're buying, read the label, know what that label says, and buy a disinfectant that has the shortest amount of dwell or contact time. I'm hoping that helps you out and also doesn't freak you out too much, because those folks at the grocery store and these other places, they're just doing their best. Unfortunately, they have not been educated on what dwell time means and on what contact time means. So when you see a surface wet for a long period of time, that means they're doing it right. So next time we're going to be talking about disinfectants, different methods of disinfecting, using towel and bucket method, using wipes, as well as using spray bottles, and how do all those things work so that we can, again, educate you on the best possible ways to keep yourself, your family, and your employees safe right now during the COVID-19 pandemic. And thanks again. I hope it helps. See you next time.